Hello guys, I'm Ritesh Goa and welcome to another episode of Designing with Ritesh Goa. Let's dive. What is the income of a fashion designer? How long does it take for a fashion designer to earn high income? We will discuss it in details in today's episode. Before we start the discussion, make sure that you subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get the notification as soon as I upload a new video. Don't forget to like my video and share it to your friends to encourage me for making new and exciting videos for you. Please don't skip the video and watch it till the end, as you will be asked a simple question on which you can put your opinion in the comment section. A good knowledge always results in good earning. Since fashion designing is a creative subject, the income of the fashion designer depends on the skill and creativity of the designer. The more innovative a person is, the more likely he or she will get a high package. The starting years can be a bit crucial as the learning process is still going on in the beginning, but after attaining 4 to 5 years of experience, the income of a fashion designer becomes much more stable. This is because he or she has gained a lot of experience in the fashion industry. Experience is something which is extremely mandatory in the fashion industry to earn high income. When a designer is learning in a fashion college, then the experience is totally based on theoretical part. But once he goes into the fashion industry, once he goes into a job or a business, then he or she gains practical experience. This practical experience is very much important to earn high income for a fashion designer. After graduating from a fashion designing college, the first task is to get a good job or an internship. A lot of person goes into small startups, but I recommend you to get into a job or an internship in the beginning. This is because when you are a fresher, you have very little practical experience in this industry and you may suffer losses if you start your own business. The best method is to get into a job and understand the practical market. And once you have totally understood the pros and cons of the market, then you can start your own business. In Indian fashion market, the average starting salary of a fresher fashion designer ranges from rupees 10,000 to 20,000 per month, depending on the skill and creativity. The salary of a fashion designer gradually increases as he or she gets more experience along with the time. For example, a 8 to 10 years experienced designer has greater chance of getting a high income as he or she is very much experienced in this field. At that time, his or her salary may range from 50,000 to 80,000 per month depending on his or her innovative skills. Even for some fashion designers, the salary comes in lakhs. Can you imagine? You can earn in lakhs only with your skill and creativity. So we must understand that the income of a fashion designer is directly proportional to the talent and creativity he or she is having. So if you are studying fashion designing or want to study fashion designing, just focus on the learning process and try to attain more and more knowledge as you can. Trust me, this is the only way to attain a high income as a fashion designer. Though my recommendation is not to get into startups just after the college, but if you are still getting out into the business, then I recommend that you should be having a good contact in the market. The more contact you are having in the market, the more the chances to have a stable income in your business. In that case, be very careful about the quality, as customer satisfaction is directly proportional to the profit you attain in the business. So whether it's a job or a business, we must understand it that the only way of attaining high income is through knowledge, and we must polish our skills to become more unique and more innovative. So what are your preferences? Do you want to apply for a job or start your own business? Tell me your opinion in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get all notifications about any new video I upload. Don't forget to like my video and share it with your friends to encourage me in making new and exciting videos for you. Thank you very much.